Let me say something that might hit a nerve. People aren't afraid of losing you. Not because you're not valuable, but because you've made it impossible to lose you. You're always there, always replying fast, always understanding, always forgiving. You've turned yourself into emotional Wi-Fi, always connected, always available, and nobody thinks about you until you're gone. That's the problem. Listen, people don't protect what's easy to access. They protect what feels like it could disappear. Right now, you don't feel like you could disappear. You feel permanent, and permanent things get taken for granted. So today, I'm not giving you some cute confidence tip. I'm showing you a shift, the kind that makes people pause, recalculate, and quietly start respecting you in a different way. Because now, losing you feels real. Step 1. Kill the always available version of you. Ever text someone and they take hours to reply? Now suddenly you're taking your phone like it owes you money, refreshing, reopening the chat, thinking, did I say something wrong? Yeah, you've been there. That's not love. That's uncertainty. And uncertainty hooks attention like a fish on a line. Now, flip it. You reply instantly, every time. No delay, no mystery, no friction. There's no tension. It's like a movie where you already know the ending. Why would anyone stay invested? Here's the uncomfortable truth. When people can predict you, they stop valuing you. Because there's no risk, no challenge, no possibility of losing you. And once there's no risk, respect slowly dies. Not loudly, quietly. Step 2, introduce controlled absence. Now don't panic, this is where people mess it up. This is not about playing games. This is about having a life that doesn't revolve around them. You stop replying like it's your full-time job. You take your time, not to impress, but because you're actually busy. You say no sometimes. Clean, simple, no speech. You leave conversations early, not dramatically, just done. And here's what happens next. At first, nothing. Then a small shift. Then a question forms in their head. Wait, what changed? And right there, you created something dangerous. Uncertainty. And uncertainty is addictive because now they're paying attention. Now they're thinking about you when you're not even there. Step 3. Stop explaining yourself like you're on trial. This is where people ruin everything. They feel the shift working, and then they panic. So they start explaining, sorry, I've just been busy. I didn't mean to seem distant. I hope everything's okay. No, stop. Every explanation is like reopening a door you just worked to close. You're basically saying, relax, I'm still the same, still predictable, still safe. And just like that, you lose the edge. Listen carefully. Mystery creates value, not fake mystery. Natural space. You don't know anyone a breakdown of your every move. You're not a report, you're a person. Step 4, make people earn your energy. Let me be blunt. You've been giving full access for half effort, and people get comfortable real fast with that. It's like giving someone VIP access for showing up late and doing nothing. What do you think happens? They stop trying. Now, flip it. You give attention when there's effort. You give energy when there's intention. You go deeper when they show up right. And when they don't, you pull back. No anger, no drama, just less of you. Now their brain starts connecting the dots. If I show up weak, I lose access. If I step up, I get closer. That's not manipulation, that's conditioning. And once someone feels like they can lose access to you, they move differently. And if you're catching this shift, really catching it, hit the like button. Not because you agree, but because you're done being easy to read and ready to be hard to replace. Step 5. Be willing to walk away even if you don't. This is the real power. And yeah, it's uncomfortable. You don't have to leave, but you have to mean it. Deep down, that quiet energy that says, I like you, but I don't need you. That energy, you can't fake it. People feel it. And when they do, something flips. Because most people cling. They hold on like they're drowning. But when someone stands steady, detached, calm, grounded, it creates tension, respect, sometimes even fear. Not fear of you, fear of losing access to you. Let me say something nobody says out loud. People don't chase you because they love you. They chase you because they feel you slipping. That moment when they're not 100% sure they have you anymore, that's when they lean in. That's when they try harder. That's when you become valuable. So let me leave you with this. People are not afraid of losing you because you're too important. They're not afraid because you made it impossible to lose you. You stayed, no matter what. You gave without limits. You forgave without consequences. So why would they worry? But the moment you change that, the moment your presence is no longer guaranteed, everything shifts. Their tone changes, their effort changes, their respect changes, because now you're not something they have. You're something they could lose. If you want more of this, real psychology, real control over your life and your interactions, hit subscribe, because this is just one layer of a much deeper game. Now, be honest. Where in your life have you been too available and deep down, you know it? Drop it in the comments.